What up, good people? A huge shout out to Charles Barkley of Lexus for allowing me to review the 2018 Lexus LC 500. Today we are reviewing the 2018 Lexus LC 500. Right here we have a 21-inch alloy wheel with a polished finish in glossy black, with Brembo brakes in all four corners. Right here we are looking at a 5.0 liter V8 engine pushing out 471 horsepower. For the 0 to 60, 4.4 seconds. Here's the sound of it. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. On the left you have your oil temperature, on the right you have your engine temperature alongside your gas gauge. In the middle you have a colorful digital display. Now we are bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button with your cruise control settings. Here is your traction control bezel. The buttons over here have your trunk and gas release alongside with your heads-up display. On the door panel you have your memory and seat setting. Now we're bringing it down to your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control. Right here we have your drive mode bezel. We are looking at a 10.3-inch high-resolution split-screen display. Now we are bringing it down to your dual climate control. Beneath the dual climate control we have a CD player. Now we are about to unveil the cup holder area. Here's your shift knob with your electronic parking. This particular model have a 10-speed automatic transmission. Now we're making our way over to the radio and media button. In the middle you have a volume bezel. Right here we have the next generation remote touchpad. Now we are unveiling the center console. This part is very spacious. We're making our way up to your matte light and SOS safety connect. We done made our way to the back of the vehicle. This part is not very spacious. Now we are making our way to the cargo area. This part is very spacious. Once again, a huge shout out to Charles Barkley of Lexus for allowing me to review the 2018 Lexus LC 500. If you need any information about Charles Barkley of Lexus, I'll leave a link in the description below. Real quick, good people, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.